Hello everyone, Yabende here. Today I'm going to show you one of the newest models that DOM brand has in its offer. It is DOM IX Twido. This is a lock that has 6 pins in the main stack and one interactive pin which interacts with this bearing on the key. Okay, so internals. All driver pins are security pins. In first two chambers we have spools, and in the other four we have DOM's typical barrels. These barrels give a distinctive feedback, and with that dodge at the end, you have to push each barrel back in when it starts binding. You have to pick each barrel again. The interactive element is a classic driver pin found in the IX series, and it's not a problem at all. You just have to push it. One interesting thing is the shape of the key pins. I will show you. Maybe this one, which is new. The shape is new to IX series, and it's definitely hindrance. As you can see, each key pin at the top has a small tab that is rounded, and it's difficult to rest the pick on. Below that is a normal part of the key pin, and that is the place where I rest my pick during picking. So here we have some torpedo key pin. Okay, what next? The core. There's no counter milling, over milling, or something like that. Tolerance is really good. In the core we have little wording that creates a little true where little groove where those key pin stabs hide, and it makes it much more difficult to set especially max lift correctly. The keyway wording and the key pin shape have made it much more convenient to use a hook for picking instead of flag. For picking I will use this kind of hook. It's a multi-pick PN05. Inside the core there are 8 more passive pins here, which provide protection against unauthorized key usage while not causing any trouble during picking. Here you can see the key and the beating from the key, and here we have cuts for the passive pins here as well, and here we have cuts from the main stack. As you can see, number 1 and number 3 are max lift, and yeah, here we have this bearing for interactive element. Okay, so that will be all from the internals. Let's go and pick this lock. Okay, DOM IX Twido. Okay, little core movement. Now I will preset 2 spools in chamber number 1 and 2. Okay, and okay, pin number 6. And pin number 3. Okay, all pins in main stack are set now. Interactive pin. Okay, and we have open. Okay, so now let's get this lock. Some interactive, so passive pins. It can be number 6. interactive pin. Number 5. Number 4. 3. Okay. Yeah, that will be all. And the drivers. Interactive driver and springs. Okay, this is Tom IX Twido, Pick it and gadget. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a really cool lock. If you have opportunity, I recommend to pick. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Cheers.